Jamaica's Reggae Boys are gearing up for Sunday's semi-final against defending champions Mexico at the CONCACAF Gold Cup in the United States, having become the first Caribbean team to reach back-to-back semi-finals at this tournament. In fact, the game will be a repeat of the 2015 final and also a quick rematch after the two teams met at the group stage last week Thursday, where they played out a goalless draw. Reggae Boys coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore described that assignment as a difficult game against a good team, and one suspects Sunday's clash will be another very tough encounter for the Jamaicans. Jamaica is so far unbeaten with 1 win and 2 drawn results at this year's tournament, scoring 3 goals and conceding 1. But let's not get carried away here with this record, because there is still a lot of room for improvement in this team. One of the most positive signs, though, with this present Reggae Boys unit is that it possesses a few attacking-minded and skillful players who have so far shown an inclination to express themselves on the park and also to try scoring some goals, something which has been missing from previous Reggae Boys teams in the last couple of years. The strikers in particular, Darren Mattox, Romario Williams and Corey Burke, have all shown the qualities mentioned earlier, with Mattox and Williams accounting for the goals so far. The team's defensive unit has also acquitted itself fairly well so far, led by captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake, who has been brilliant. One very important area in which the Reggae Boys have got to show some improvement, though, is midfield. The individuals chosen to play in this area of the park have huge responsibilities and will have to show vast improvement in keeping possession for longer periods and, equally critical, make more accurate passes. The Reggae Boys midfielders and even the defenders at times have given away possession far too easily and will surely have to display more cohesiveness and confidence if the team is to progress further at this tournament. While the present Mexican team is not as marauding as previous outfits, they are still a dangerous team, and they have shown some degree of quality so far at this Gold Cup. Let's hope the Reggae Boys show improvement over their previous 3 games at this year's event, and I think if they do so, a positive result could very well be on the cards for the Theodore Whitmore coached unit. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.